Moodle allows you to assess students with questions which have specified answers. Quizzes allow you to use different types of questions, not just multiple choice, and it also allows you to add media, videos, sound, etc. as part of your questions. Before you add a quiz, you need to turn editing on. Quiz is an activity because students interact with it. Let's try and add a quiz to topic 1 on our course page. Click on the add an activity or resource, look for quiz. Since it's an activity, we can click on activity here, or try and search. Okay, it's right here. Click on quiz, and this is the page. There are many different settings in the quiz. If you are not too sure of them, please place a cursor on the question mark icon, and then you will get further or extra information on the settings. Let's scroll up and see what we can do with it. So we can give our quiz a name. I always like to use my Word document that I already prepared for these tutorials. So my quiz name will be computer literacy. Again, you can decide to copy and paste. Then the description: first semester quiz, good luck. So display description on course page. Okay, when we are done, we can come down, save, and display. Okay, so we have titled our quiz. Now let's see how we can add our questions. Let's click on edit quiz, and then look out for add on the right hand corner. Now we can add a new question, or we can pick from a question bank if we already have some existing questions from ourselves or other colleagues, or we can just pick random questions. But for the purposes of these tutorials, let's add new questions. So I click on the plus sign. Now, what type of questions do we want to set? We have multiple choice, true or false, matching, short answers, numerical, essay, calculated, etc., etc. I would choose the true or false. So I'm going to tick and then click add. Scroll down. Here I need to give the question name a name that would help in finding the questions in the question bank, but this name will not be displayed to the students. So I can again term it computer literacy. Then I can proceed with my questions. Again, I can refer to my question bank here, my little question bank. So the first question you can copy. Computers have two main parts, i.e. software, and hard copy and paste. So my first question now, is it true or false? The answer is false, so I maintain this. And then feedback. If it is false, you can come up with the feedback that the student should get. So we can say good or bravo, or you can leave it blank if you don't want any feedback or response to be given to the student. So we go down, so we click save changes, and we have our first question here. Let's add another question, new question. Let's try the multiple choice, tick, and then click add here. Again, the name, computer literacy, then the question, let me come up with a question. The following are input devices of the computer. Scroll down. So choice A, again you can decide whether it should be lower cases or upper cases as shown here, 1, 2, 3, or Roman numerals. I'll go for the lower cases. So the first choice, mouse. Yes, mouse is an input device, so I would grade shouldn't be none, should be 100%. If I have more than one answer, then up here I need to state it that multiple answers allowed. Okay, so I'll deliberately put 2 correct answers here. So 2 correct answers would mean 50%, 50%. That will make it 100%. So I'll go for 50, and then I'll put monitor here, which is wrong, so should be none. Again, if you have any feedback, you can put it in there. Then the third, that is a keyboard, should also be keyboard. It's also correct, so I'll give it the 50% mark. Okay, the rest I'm going to make wrong, so I'll go for cable, wrong. Then the last choice will be what should I come up with, will be a system unit, which is also system unit. Okay, that's also wrong, so I'll pick none. Calm down, and then save changes. So we have 2 different types of questions here. We can click on the preview icon to preview the question, or click on the bin to delete it. Let's try and preview this question. Okay, so the following are input devices of the computer: A, system unit; B, cable; C, keyboard; D, monitor; E, mouse. Let's preview the first one. Okay, so that's also in good condition. Thank you for watching.